we shall prove root 2. The question is to prove root 2 is an irrational number. Chapter 1, name is real numbers, class 10th, NCERT. So we are now going to prove it. The method we will taking to prove root 2 is an irrational number is contradiction method. So first we shall write over here method we are using contradiction method. So using this method, we will suppose let root 2 is a rational number. Instead of, because we have to prove it irrational number and we are using the method is contradiction, so we'll take root 2 as a rational number. So we know that any rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q. So we will take root 2 is P, we have written it in the form of rational number P upon Q, where P and Q are co-primes and Q is not equal to 0. Denominator cannot be 0 because divisibility by 0 is not possible. That we must write over here, Q should not be equal to 0. Now you must clear over here that it's very important to know about co-prime. Any two or more different numbers having no any common factor other than 1. Any two or more numbers, number means I am taking the integers who don't have any common factor other than 1. For example, we can say if you write 4 upon 9, suppose the number is 16 upon 36. So we have to cancel the common factors between 16 and 36. So 16 and 4 9 ja, the common factor has been gone. So the simplest form or the reduced form is 4 upon 9. It cannot further be reduced because there is no any number who can divide both 4 and 9 at the same time. So 4 and 9 are the co-primes because 4 and 9 are co-primes because they don't have any common factor. So the co-primes, so now cross multiply it, 2q. Now since root is there and we want to get rid of this root 2, so we have to square both the sides. Squaring both sides, we get p square is equal to 2q square. This implies that 2 is a factor of p square, therefore 2 is also factor of p. This is by rule. You can check here. Example I am giving you. 2 is a factor of 6 square. Therefore 2 is also factor of 6. 2 is a factor of p. If 2 is a factor of p, so we suppose let p in the form of 2. We are going to write p in the form of 2. So p equal 2. We cannot write only 2 because 2 is one of the factor of p. So, and the rest of the number may be else. So we write a. The rest number is a. Now substitute this value. Now substitute this value over here in equation 1. Substituting and putting it in equation 1. So we will get 2a whole square, 4a square is equal to 2q square, 2 cancelled, q square is equal to 2a square. So you can compare this and this. In the same way, we can write here 2 is a factor of q square, or 2 is also factor of q. So thus we got 2 is factor of both p and q, both p and q. Now what we earlier supposed, that p and q are co-primes, means they don't have any common factor in between them. But here we are getting that 2 is a common factor in p and q, hence p and q are not co-primes. They are not co-primes, and we supposed earlier in our studying that they are co-primes, and by this contradiction method we proved that p and q are not co-primes because they have they have common factor 2. Thus our assumption is wrong, and root 2 is an irrational number. We can prove it. We can use this method for any irrational number. It may be root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7. Only digits will go on changing. Instead of, if you suppose we are going to prove root 3 is an irrational number, so instead of 2 it will be 3. Suppose we are going to prove root 6 is an irrational number, so instead of 2 it will go on 6. So this method is applicable. You can try on your own. So I think this you can go through it and can discuss with me any doubt telephonically or on WhatsApp. Thank you.